Hello, students of Joy Standard Schools. Welcome to our lesson on the use of the desktop background. In this lesson, you will learn about icons, files, and how to move, copy, and paste them on your computer. Let's get started. First, let's talk about icons. Icons are small pictures that represent files and folders on your computer. You can see some icons on your desktop, which is the main screen you see when you turn on your computer. Some icons are object icons, which means they let you open files and programs on your computer. For example, the My Computer icon lets you access your hard drive, where all your files are stored. The Recycle Bin icon lets you delete or restore files that you don't need anymore. The Internet Explorer icon lets you browse the web. Some icons are shortcut icons, which means they are links to files and programs that are stored somewhere else on your computer. Shortcut icons have little arrows in the lower left corner. You can create shortcut icons to open applications quickly. For example, you can create a shortcut icon for Microsoft Word on your desktop, so you don't have to go to the Start menu and look for it every time you want to write a document. Now, let's talk about files. Files are digital versions of things you can interact with on your computer. For example, a Microsoft Word document is a file that contains text and images. A digital photo is a file that contains pixels and colors. A digital music is a file that contains sounds and rhythms. A digital video is a file that contains frames and motions. Files have different types and extensions. The type of a file tells you what kind of data it contains and what program can open it. The extension of a file is the part after the dot in the file name. For example, a file named report.docs is a Microsoft Word document, and a file named photo.jpg is a JPEG image. You can see the type and extension of a file by right-clicking on it and clicking on Properties. You can move, copy, and paste files from one location to another on your computer. For example, you might have a file on your desktop that you want to move to your Documents folder. To move a file, you can click and drag it to the desired location. To copy a file, you can right-click on it and click on Copy. Then, you can right-click on the destination folder and click on Paste. To paste a file, you can also use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Moving, copying, and pasting files can help you organize your files and folders on your computer. You can also rename, delete, or restore files by right-clicking on them and choosing the appropriate option. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you learned something new and useful. Now, let's do a quick review. Can you think of some of the commands that you can use to have the same files in the empty folder? Write your answers in the chat box. Thank you for watching and see you next time.